This is the Rabbitgoo Privacy 3D Decorative Window Film. This beautiful window film is super decorative and can be added onto any flat, clean, and smooth glass surface. It's also super easy to install and doesn't require any harmful or chemical glues. The irregular circles pattern offers beautiful, attractive visual effects when the sunlight shines through it, as you'll see once we install. This window film is super easy to install. The first step is to simply cut it to size. Then spray the desired surface with water evenly and thoroughly, as all this application needs is water to adhere onto the window. Then remove the plastic film backing. It already looks so gorgeous. And apply the window film onto the window. You can use a sharp surface like a ruler or a book to also smooth out any edges. And that's it. The film effectively blocks 84% of UVA rays and 99% of UVB rays, reducing annoying glares and protecting your skin and furniture from direct sunlight. The film is cost-effective and it allows for natural light to come in filtered and offers a brilliant design and a soft atmosphere. The film is also a functional way to provide privacy for your home. It will prevent people from looking into your windows directly. The Rabbitgoo window film is sure to add lots of value and beauty to your home.